Good morning, guys. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful lady at my back. She came from what country?
Mexico.
Mexico. Vámonos, vámonos. May patron. Mi patron. What's your name, ma'am?
Mariana.
Mariana. Me, Mariano. My name, Mariano.
No.
So, she was receptionist in the ship, right?
Yeah.
So, you
I'm a
need to
receptionist.
work hard every day.
Oh yeah.
In the middle of the hat. Guest came from Mexico, that's why I bring her back to Mexico. Take a look, ma'am. 1564 to 1964 Externero de Expedition Maritima, Mexico, Pilipinas.
Nice.
Ma'am, I bring you back to Mexico.
Thank you.
What thank you in Mexico?
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah. From Manila, Acapulco Galleon Trade. Using ship and using that river, the Pasig River. But before they continue their businesses, they stop over there in the ship. They need to pay tax to aduana.
Aduana.
This is a former aduana or Bureau of Customs, right?
Nice.
I'll take photo of you. Nakabuo ng camera ko. Medyo sira na. Ma'am, for you, ma'am. Yeah, you can put it in your ear. Yeah, beautiful. I hope you enjoy our tour.
Yeah.
Did you
thank
enjoy
so
it?
much.
Yeah. The photography is good.
Good. It's good.
Yeah, so if you rate it, how many? Out of 10, 1 out of 10.
10.
Really?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I hope you enjoy it. So I need to go back you in the ship.
Yes, please.
Oh, nagtatrabaho yung sakay ko kanina. Si Mariana. The Mariana Trench. Cruise ship. Dito yung dumadaong sa my gate 1 sa port.